MetroGuide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our first property tour video of a brand new house and lot for sale situated in a prime location in Ayala ALABANG, Metro Manila. So let's take a quick look at its modern Asian contemporary design in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the early evening. Let's also take a quick look at its spacious 6-car garage. Now let's begin this property tour.
Hi, this is Bautista from MetroGuide Realty and welcome to our very first property tour video here in Ayala ALABANG, Metro Manila. So right now we're going to tour you through this beautiful property. But before we do that, let's begin by taking a look at this property's features.
This beautiful home has 3 floors with an 800 square meter floor area with a 560 square meter lot area on a prime corner lot. It has 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a 6-car garage, a den which can double as an additional bedroom, a Lanai, a Fuji branded elevator, a swimming pool with a jacuzzi, a high-ceilinged entertainment room with a bar provision, an exercise room, maid's quarters, a driver's room, a powder room, an electronic gate, a spacious garden, and a daily kitchen.
Welcome to this beautiful home. So once we enter the home, the first thing that you notice is this beautiful large format Italian tile flooring, which leads very naturally into a beautiful living space.
Here are a few images of the living room with and without furniture to give you a better feel of the space.
So natural light flows through these 2 big floor-to-ceiling windows with 2 huge sliding doors. So this opens up into the garden area. Where you can actually host parties and family get-togethers. And we also have a sliding door here leading into the Lanai and the pool area.
Here are a few views of the calm and relaxing swimming pool and jacuzzi and a unique perspective of the inside of your home from your spacious Lanai.
Now let's take a look at the dining area. Before we do that, I'd like to very quickly show you. This design element will allow you to have either a painting, a centerpiece, or a large widescreen TV to complement this open space here in your living room. Okay. And here we have our dining room with this beautiful sliding door. So you have a great view here of the pool in the Lanai area, and you can easily see your guests coming into the living room. And it flows very naturally here to a beautiful main kitchen.
The kitchen has modular cabinetry from Germany, as well as a kitchen, faucet, oven, and microwave.
Now let's take a look at the utility area. So just follow me. So here we have our daily dirty kitchen area. That's a secondary place where you can prepare food. And we also have a utility area here where you can have your laundry. And we have an access door here leading to the maids and drivers' quarters at the side of the home. Coming here into the entrance of the home, I'd like you to take a look at some of the features. We have a powder room here for your guests. We have an access door here leading towards your parking area. And we have, of course, our 4-person Fuji elevator, which can comfortably take you from the first to the third floor. And we have a first floor den here. So this can actually also serve as a bedroom or as a guest room. So it's well spaced, and it also comes with this beautiful design in terms of how you can place your widescreen TV as well, how you can orient the room. So these design elements have already been built into these rooms. So you'll see how they differ in the different rooms as we go upstairs. And each room also has its own bathroom. Now, let's go up. Welcome to the second floor of this home, where we are welcomed by a large family entertainment area. So let's take a look.
The family entertainment area has a bar provision as well as a beautiful high ceiling that looks fantastic in the evening. It's also accessible by 4 bedrooms, so it's a great place for the family to gather and enjoy.
So we even have a small sink here. So you can make this a food bar or a liquor bar. It's up to you depending on your preference. Now let's take a look at the first bedroom. Let's go. So it has this beautiful wooden design element here where you can have your king or queen sized bed, and it also has a large window letting in a lot of natural light. So even if I turn off these lights, it's still almost just as bright. So let's also take a look. It also has its own bathroom. Now let's take a look at the second bedroom. So these first 2 bedrooms are facing the front of the home. There. So it's well spaced with beautiful cabinetry with additional black glass design elements which make it more elegant. And it also has this additional storage space here as well. And you can have your TV here. And it also has a well-designed bathroom. Now it's time to take a look at the master's bedroom. Let's go. You can actually access the master's bedroom through 2 doors. You have one here and you have another one there leading to the bar area. So let's go. Welcome. Welcome to the master's bedroom. So you have this beautiful wooden installation here where you can have your king-sized bed. And I'd like you to notice the high ceiling and the provision for space. You can actually have an entire living room set here in front of your bed. And we even have these additional storage space as well.
Here are 2 images of the master's bedroom so that you can further appreciate its space.
Now let's take a look at the master's bathroom and walk-in closet. Let's go.
The master's bathroom and walk-in closet has a beautiful bathtub, a shower enclosure, a dual sink area, a dresser, and well-designed cabinets in the first floor.
So why did I say first floor of the walk-in closet? It's because this walk-in closet actually has 2 floors. So if you're a person who really wants a lot of space for your belongings, or you have a lot of family members who need a lot of storage, this is an excellent option for you. Easily have a view of your bathroom coming from here. Let's now take a look at the 4th bedroom here. Wow. So this bedroom has a lot in common with the main entertainment hall and the master's bedroom. These 3 areas have a high ceiling, and it's beautifully designed, as you can see. So all of the rooms also have an inverter split type aircon, and once again, here's the beautifully designed bath. Okay, let's go. Let's now head on over to the 3rd floor, where we have an exercise room, the 5th bedroom, as well as storage rooms. Let's go. Welcome to the 3rd floor of the home. So let's now start by taking a look at the 5th bedroom. So the first thing that you notice here are these beautiful dark wood design elements. So they're very elegant. At the same time, we also have this indirect lighting design, the split type aircon, as well as a lot of space as well. We also have a very spacious bathroom here. So I'll walk in. There. So we even have a walk-in closet area here. Let's now take a look at the exercise room. So here, the first thing that we see are the 2 big walls that are made up of windows, and it's quite spacious. So you have a great view. You can actually make this into a gym, or you can make this into a yoga or meditation look, or even a small office, or a recreational room for your family.
The 3rd floor also has the elevator, a common bathroom, an additional storage space, and an additional storage room.
We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this beautiful brand new house and lot for sale located here in a beautiful community in Ayala, Alabang, Metro Manila. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below for our email and number. If you want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.